everyone, welcome back to Lara's Kitchen. Today I make banga with this scenting leaf blended together. Have you tasted it? If you've done it, let me know. So I just put it in native pot, let it be do toko 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 toko. You know that banga way they do toko 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 toko. Come put your pounded yam for the middle, or you can put starch. The vibes is giving. Everything is on point. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I'm just put it in a native pot. You see it? This rishi. There is more catfish, dry catfish. There is shaki, but everything is inside. It's giving what it's supposed to give. This is banga stroke scenting leaf. If you tested it, let me know, and let me know the process. It's the same process, but if you have other process, let me know. You see our native pot is doing toko toko